Today you will learn how to calculate your ROI and cap rate on investment properties. First we find the true cost, that would be the purchase price plus any closing and renovation costs. Then we would have to determine the market rent for the unit. A realtor can help, or you can use Zillow or Trulia to get an estimate. Once you have the monthly rent, then you would times it by 12 months. That would give you the annual rent return. Divide the annual gross rent with the cost to acquire the property. This will give you the gross ROI. Now let's add expenses. Subtract the home insurance and property taxes. Don't forget the cost for a property manager. Even if you do it yourself, run it like a business. There is a cost to everything. Property management fee is normally 10%. Take out 10% each month to have reserves for vacancies and repairs. This will allow you to have savings for repairs and when your unit is empty to maintain your return ROI. Total expenses are insurance, property taxes, property manager, vacancies, HOA, and repairs. Any monthly expenses would be added in this section. To calculate your return without vacancies and repairs, just subtract it from the yearly expenses. This would let you know how much your expenses would be without those items. Some investors do not include that or forgets to include those items. Then subtract the blue yearly expenses from annual rent. That gives you the cap rate. Divide the new net by the cost. That will give you the ROI without the cost of vacancies and repair expenses. Here is your total ROI with all expenses including vacancies and reserves. You would bring $917.50 a month, netting you $11,010 annually. The annual cap rate is 5.5. Thank you for tuning in to learn about calculating ROI and cap rates. To learn more about investing, please subscribe and hit the alert button.